In this video we will add the escape system. So when we will press escape key, we should leave the room. So for that purpose we have created a variable public game object wait for player, and then in the wake function we have added the wait for players game object dot find waiting bg, and then this name of waiting bg should be the same name of the waiting background UI panel. Then in the update function we are saying that when we will press escape we should remove the data and we will exit the room. So for the removing the data we will use this line of code. So Photon Network or RPC remove for me, this is the default function of Photon. And for room exit we will coroutine. We will create this coroutine over here where we are actually adding 1 second, and after 1 second we name object will be just get component name nickname script is dot leaving, and then this leaving function we will write in the nickname script. So in nickname script we will add photon dot pon, and then also we will create a function here public void leaving start coroutine back to lobby, and then in the back to lobby enumerator, that is a coroutine, we are adding 0.5 seconds, and then we are getting the load the level lobby level. Okay, so when we will press escape key we will back to lobby, and then in display color we have using this function, and then we will make cursor visible again and photon network room. Okay, so this is the function, and here we will actually is the remove me function where we are getting the names, and then we are getting the component nickname script, and from that we are getting the names and we are making them false and health bar false. So the health bar and nicknames panels will be false. Okay, and yeah, that's great. This is the code, and also for this script we will add this mono behavior upon callbacks, which is very important, otherwise it will not work. And now I already have created the build for the testing purpose, so you can open the build, and then I will open this build as well, and now we can just enter the game from here. Then we have the enter button to enter the game, and then we'll go with the red color, and here we'll go with green color. Now you can see that we have a green character and the red character. So if we go for red character and we want to leave the room, if we press escape, now the red character gone, and here you can see we are in the lobby scene, and here you can see that character is invisible now. So if we press escape here, you can see character gone and we are on the lobby scene. So that's great. The setup is working now, and in next video we'll move further. Goodbye.